So today we're going to learn about washing our hands in the public restrooms. In elementary schools, a lot of children contaminate each other because they sneeze and they don't wash their hands. Parents, just to make parents aware to teach their children how to wash their hands. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you first. Okay, you want to come on this side and okay. So you're going to turn the water to warm. You're going to get your hands nice and wet. And then you're going to pump some soap into your hands. And for 20 seconds you want to lather up your hands, cleaning your cuticles and your nails. Sometimes it's not that you're gonna have it in a public restroom, but if you have it at home, there's these little brushes that you can brush your nails with and whatnot, because under your nail bed and around your cuticles carries a lot of bacteria in it. So you just want to lather it up for about 20 seconds. And some places or some people will even suggest doing the wrist, because the wrist also, gets contaminated with bacteria also. So it's nice to kind of get up there and do that, especially with kids, because when they're running, their nose is running and they start wiping it with their, hands, it tends to get on their wrists and stuff. So you kind of want to get up there and just do a good lather. And then you want to rinse it off and not touching the sink. Especially in public restrooms. We're here in the privacy of our home, so suppose. Okay. Then you want to take a paper towel. A little bit of soap on my hand. Guess I got a lot of soap that time. And you want to just dry your hands. And you can get another paper towel, or you can just use the one that you use to dry your hands, going green, and just turn off the water with that paper towel. You do not want to touch the handle because you touched it when you had the bacteria on it. Why do I keep looking at the camera? So now, would you demonstrate exactly what I just showed you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay, so when you're washing, you want to wash your hands before you do, preparing food, eating, treating wounds or giving medicine, touching a sick or injured person, inserting or removing contact lenses. And then you want to always wash your hands after preparing food, especially raw meat and poultry, using the toilet, changing a diaper, touching an animal or animal toys, leashes, or waste, blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing into your hands, treating wounds, touching a sick or injured person, handling garbage or something that could be contaminated, such as cleaning cloths or soiled shoes. It's always important to wash your hands whenever they look dirty. Also to note that antibacterial soap, we have this lately in this mindset of thinking that antibacterial is actually good, but it actually kills the normal flora of the body and can actually cause more bacteria to form. So just getting a nice, mild, just regular soap is just as good as actually better than getting the antibacterial, because it doesn't cause more problems. Antibacterial actually causes more. So, just keep that in mind when you're getting antibacterial or getting soap, period. You want to get one that is, you know, not too harsh on the body and too harsh on the skin. And then also, working in a medical or, you know, just anywhere, you want to try to have, you know, hand lotion available because, you know, cracks and whatnot in the skin can be really unsafe if you're working in that kind of environment. So just keeping your hands moist. That's another thing about buying soap is, you know, maybe getting one with some form of moisturizer in it is good for the skin. Also, when you're teaching your child, you want to get something that's going to motivate them to want to do these things. Right here is kind of like a blue soap. When it comes out, it's green, actually. And when it comes out, you know, the kids just like to, just like the color. So it kind of motivates them and gets their attention to want to do that. So just always try to make it a little bit fun, and after a while it'll become habit for them. And when they see you doing the same things, they'll do the same also. So just getting on them about washing their hands and them seeing you was probably one of the best ways to teach a child and make it fun for them. So, and you always want to teach them when walking out of the bathroom that paper towel that they may have turned off the water with, you want to go and open the door with that same paper towel. You don't want them to, because there's some people who may not wash their hands, and so you get those nasty germs right back on your hands. So I think that is it.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.